Cardano value equivalent to 6.7396 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.5814. 6.7432. The earlier day close, 6.5973. The change was plus 0.1423. Plus 2.16%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, February 27, cost 6.53 rands, high 6.99, low 6.07. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, February 28, cost 6.24 rands, high 6.68, low 5.80. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, cost 6.14 rands, high 6.57, low 5.71. Cardano estimate on Thursday, walk 2, cost 6.16 rands, high 6.59, low 5.73. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, walk 3, cost 5.98 rands, high 6.40, low 5.56. In multi-week Cardano gauge on Monday, walk 6, cost 6.02 rands, high 6.44, low 5.60. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 5.94 rands, high 6.36, low 5.52. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 6.02 rands, high 6.44, low 5.60. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, walk 9, cost 6.21 rands, high 6.64, low 5.78. Cardano gauge on Friday, walk 10, cost 5.92 rands, high 6.33, low 5.51. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, cost 6.38 rands, high 6.83, low 5.93. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 6.88 rands, high 7.36, low 6.40. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 6.82 rands, high 7.30, low 6.34. Cardano estimate on Thursday, walk 16, cost 6.72 rands, high 7.19, low 6.25. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost 6.95 rands, high 7.44, low 6.46. In 3 weeks Cardano estimate on Monday, walk 20, cost 7.11 rands, high 7.61, low 6.61. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 6.49 rands, high 6.94, low 6.04. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 6.32 rands, high 6.76, low 5.88. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, cost 6.63 rands, high 7.09, low 6.17. Cardano estimate on Friday, walk 24, cost 6.27 rands, high 6.71, low 5.83. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, walk 27, cost 6.35 rands, high 6.79, low 5.91. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 6.32 rands, high 6.76, low 5.88. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for February 2023. Initially cost at 6.75 rands, excessive cost 7.80, while low cost 5.80. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.65. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.24. Change for February 7.6%. Cardano figure for WAC 2023. Initially cost at 6.24 rands. Excessive cost 7.61. While low cost 5.49. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.31. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.90. Change for spring 5.4%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 5.90 rands. Excessive cost 7.32. While low cost 5.90, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.49. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6.84. Change for April 15.9%. Cardano figure for May 2023. In the first place cost at 6.84 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.84. while low cost 5.35. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.20. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.75, change from May 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 5.75 rands, excessive cost 5.75, while low cost 4.49. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.21. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.83. Change for June 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for July 2023. Before all else cost at 4.83 rands, excessive cost 4.87, while low cost 4.23. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.62. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.55, change for July 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 4.55 rands, excessive cost 5.04, while low cost 4.38. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.67. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.71. Change for August 3.5%. Cardano conjecture for September 2023. Before all else cost at 4.71 rands, exorbitant cost 4.71, while low cost 3.90. They found the middle value of cost 4.38. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.19. Change for September 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.19 rands, exorbitant cost 5.14, while low cost 4.19. They found the middle value of cost 4.58. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.80. Change for October 14.6%. Cardano estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.80 rands, exorbitant cost 4.80, while low cost 3.75. They found the middle value of cost 4.35. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.03, change for November 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.03 rands, exorbitant cost 4.03, while low cost 3.15. They found the middle value of cost 3.65. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3.39. Change for December 15.9%. Cardano estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 3.39 rands, excessive cost 3.39, while low cost 2.65. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.07. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.85, change for January 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 2.85 rands, excessive cost 3.39, while low cost 2.85. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.07. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.17. Change for February 11.2%. ZAR to ADA conversion scale equivalent to 0.1484 coins per 1 rand. The present reach.